I'll get up. I don't want to use my client as a vault. It's not good for them, right? So I'll put a knee here. I'll come up and around without really involving them. I want my leg as high as I can get it for my lunge, but I do not want to go underneath her arm because I will pinch the heck out of her. So that's about the best I can get unless I lift her up. I'm going to drop back here on both sides of the spine. What I have you do is probably keep your arms as straight as possible, be heavy. I'll bend mine a bit because I don't want to be too heavy. My inside thigh and my rib cage kind of are my support. They're really doing most of the work here. Nice deep inhale. How's that pressure? Come here, I'm going to really push the shoulder blades out. I'm going to get in there. Look at that. Subscap, just the side of the hand. And then I'm going to come up over them. I'm going to really work on the triceps. Come back. I'll grab the trap. I don't want to work going backwards. I don't do a Pilates work. I'm not trying to work too hard. I'm just going to sit down. And at some point I'll fall off if I don't let go. I let go and come down. And I sit up and do it again. I can do two hands on one. I'm trying to track her spine with the finger to kind of make sure I'm not on the spine, but I want to be right next. I actually want to be working into the spine, just not straight down. If I use my thumb for the tracking, my work's about 1.5 inches off the spine. If I use my pinky, my work is like right next to it, which is what I want. So I get my pinky in that spinal groove. I know I'm safe. I want my pressure, like this is two hands working separately. This is right over each other. Same pressure, same spot I want to get in. Nice deep inhale, step up. How's that pressure? I'm actually going to push in my heel a bit in the rib just to get a little extra and make that turn. Get behind my work, come out. All right. And I could probably work an elbow here if I have the right flexibility. And all this work I tend to do knees on glutes. How we doing?
Fantastic.
Okay, no problems there. My knees will pull down when my hands work up, so I get a low back stretch. And I use my toes to sort of pull me down for that. Nice deep inhale. And this is kind of a little Pilates thing the first couple times you do it. You're trying to get your balance. Once you get your balance, super easy. How we doing?
Great.
You get a lot of pressure in the body with very little effort. Okay, so that's what that's about. I can also do elbows from here really easy. If you never fall, you're not trying hard enough. If you start to fall, just grab your client's hair. They'll hold you up, and then you can kind of get back up. Won't work with me, but it works with other people.
It'll work on me.
Okay, so play with some of that, see what you think.